Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. Today I'm going to show you how to steal a Harley Davidson. Stick around. Alright guys, so here is the details. I travel a lot. I'm on the road, and as I travel and drive, I really enjoy listening to podcasts, and there's a podcast that came up recently that I have really just fell in love with, and it's called Ninjas Are Butterflies.
I do think that your brain is still working when you get your head cut off.
Oh yeah.
Think about
I
a
agree.
chicken can live for 2 whole weeks. Why can't we live for
What?
Yeah, have you not heard
8
that?
seconds.
This dude did an
What?
experiment where he had a chicken, cut its head off, and force-fed it through the neck hole, and it lived for 2 weeks.
That's nuts.
fed
Yeah.
it through the neck hole?
And it's, you know, a little slapstick comedy, some talk radio, some fun stuff. But the cool thing about it is the 2 gentlemen that are heading up this podcast, I kind of knew them from a YouTube channel that they run called Sunday Cool. Well, the main individual on that YouTube channel podcast is a guy by the name of Josh. And Josh, little did I know, rode motorcycles, and he had this really cool chopper, but he's been through life, had a baby, got married, all those things. Well, in that other order, got married, then had a baby. And he hasn't been able to ride his motorcycle because it's been needing some work on it. Well, on my last trip to Milwaukee, I was listening to their podcast, and I had the opportunity to rate their podcast, and of course, 5 stars. And I got a reply from one of the guys who helps out on the podcast by the name of Andrew. And Andrew says, "Hey man, we really like your motorcycle stuff that you are doing. Would you be interested in helping Josh out?" So I thought, what a cool idea. What a cool opportunity to be able to help out somebody on their motorcycle. Problem is Andrew says, we don't want to let Josh know about it. So, if you've ever seen those old TV shows like Overhauling or something where they go in and they steal somebody's car or property and they overhaul it, redo it, and make it all super clean, that's what we're doing. We're gonna take Josh's motorcycle without him knowing about it, and I'm gonna put some new tires on there. We're gonna throw a new generator on there. We're gonna get the bike running and riding for him, and we're gonna present it back to him. So I am super stoked to do this. I am excited to let you guys come along on the journey. So right now we're heading over to link up with Andrew, who has already secured the motorcycle so that we can grab it and we can get it back to Weems Motor Co. and we can get it fixed up. So let's go check out this Harley Davidson Sportster chopper. Let's do it. All right, so here we are in an undisclosed location in Florida, and the motorcycle has already been secured by his brother and his good workmate. We'll just say that this guy right here, Andrew, is the accomplice in this matter.
That'll work.
He is the responsible party, so I'm not officially not stealing the motorcycle. I am taking it from your hands.
Just depends on what I put on the report.
If he goes out and notices his bike's missing, he's gonna be wondering what in the world's going on. They did leave a nice little note for him.
We did.
Said, what does it say on it?
It just says "miss me"
Miss me?
and
Like,
charcoal. Like a serial killer left it there.
should have cut it out of like magazines, like
Yeah.
all the different letters and stuff. But it's super cool, little iron head Sportster, what, 82, something like that?
82, right?
82?
I think so.
Nice little bike. We're gonna get it running for him. We're gonna get it riding, and by the end of this video, you're gonna see his smiling face with tears of joy rolling down as his chopper is given back to him. So let's get this thing loaded up, all right?
Heck yeah.
All right, let's do it. Sweet. Oh wait, hey, and this is accomplice number 2, the big guy who actually loads it up by himself. So he's got the muscles, we got the brains. We're gonna make this thing happen. Let's get it loaded up. right, Andrew, got it loaded up.
Stoked.
We're gonna go get some food.
Let's do it.
Let's go get some food. All right, so we got the bike back here at Weems Motor Co. But the first thing we need to do is give this thing a little bath because I'm pretty sure it's been sitting for a few years. They said 2 years. I look at the tag on this thing and it was out in 2020. It's now 2023, so about 3 years. So it's got a lot of rust and grime, and yeah, we need to clean all that stuff off before we can start digging in and getting this thing cleaned up, getting it ready to go for Josh. So let's wash it up. So seriously, once again I have to reiterate that I do not work on Harley Davidsons, but I'm working on this one. So, got it cleaned up, let's get it in the shop, get those wheels off so we can put some new tires on there, and we got to replace that generator so that we can get Josh back on the road riding his cool chopper. Let's do it. All right, so got it in the shop, got the wheels off this bad boy, and thanks to our good friends over at Lowbrow Customs, got a set of tires ordered and a new generator for it. So let's open up this box of tires, throw them in the truck, and head over to the Ride Factory over in Ybor and have them mount these tires up so we can get this bike back together for Josh and deliver this thing and blow his mind. Let's do it. One super fast trip to the Ride Factory. Just want to say a huge shout out to Brian and Joe and all the guys over there at the Ride Factory for hooking us up super quick so we can get this bike back together. It's time to do that. Let's get this bike back together. Let's throw these wheels and tires back on there. Let's get that new generator in, and let's take her for a little test ride before we bring her over to Josh. Folks, it's put together, but it's dark. So I think tomorrow morning we're gonna take this thing for a little test ride, load it up in the truck, and head over and surprise Josh. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, so here we are, guys. Made it all the way out here to Mount Dora, Florida. Tavares?
Yeah.
Eustis. It's like a Tri-City area, right? It's like all right in that area. So, accomplice number 2, Mr. Taylor here with us. I wanted to just take a few minutes before we ride this thing in and give it to Josh and just ask his brother a couple questions about it. So, older brother, younger brother?
Josh is my younger, so I'm oldest, yeah.
So, is he the baby of the family?
No, he's the middle.
Oh, okay. He kind of gets forgotten a lot, right?
Yeah.
I'm the baby in my family, so I know what it's like kind of being spoiled a little bit. But so why do you think that we wanted to do this for your brother?
So first off, he's a incredible brother and father now.
Yeah.
He's had, I don't know, just about everything thrown at him this year. Just business growing, his YouTube channel growing, and just keeping this balance of fatherhood and everything.
A new baby.
Yeah,
And
brand
it's
new
like-
baby. So
I get it. So
Yeah.
like motorcycles tend to take a back seat when it comes to family and careers and things like that. So
yeah.
that's why I'm super stoked to be a part of the process. So from as being the brother, what do you think his reaction is going to be?
I don't think he'll believe it. Like,
You won't believe it?
Yeah.
He's going to be surprised?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh man, I'm super stoked about it. Taylor, thank you for giving me the opportunity to be a part of this process. Let's go see what kind of reaction we can pull out of Josh right now. Holy cow! Check out that bike, man! What just happened? Like for real?
You didn't even check your bike. It's been gone for like weeks.
No way! Is it really?
At least a week.
This is amazing!
Oh, dude. Yes, sir. This feels weird.
This is nuts!
Is this where we say happy birthday? Or? No, it's not happy birthday.
This is sick!
Do you remember how to do it? Do you remember how to ride it?
I think so. This is crazy.
I am so
Dumbfounded. That's so awesome. Thanks, guys. It's amazing.
When was the last time you rode the bike?
I don't know. It's been
Well, the tag
3
expired
years.
in 2020, so that's all I knew. I was like, they said 2 years. I was like, it's been longer than that. So.
so cool.
So I reached out to him, we were talking, and he agreed to do all of that work for free.
Yeah,
So-
no way. Yeah, it's awesome. Hey, YouTube people.
New best friend.
Aww. All right, guys, so how awesome is that? Got the bike over to Josh without him even knowing that his friend stole it from him. His wife, Lily, in on the deal. Everybody's like super cool over here at the Sunday Cool. Man, if you haven't had a chance to jump on, check out their podcast or YouTube channel, make sure you do so. It'll be in the description below. And with that, Josh, congratulations, my friend.
Sir, thank you.
You ride safe out there, my friend. Let everybody know out there in YouTube world where to find you at.
Just look at the moon, and we'll be looking at the same moon. Not the same moon, because we can't see the same moon. We'll be looking at different moons. But we'll be there. Ninjas or butterflies everywhere, or Cool Carl. That's it.
SundayCool.com, baby.
Yeah.
Check them out, guys. That's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you for hanging out. If you are new around here, jump down, hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here at Sunday Cool and Weems Motor Co. Peace.